Hey guys, today we're doing experiments with ketchup and baking soda
and vinegar.
Vinegar. So,
This
And
is
baking
going to be
soda.
a volcano.
This is going to be
we don't know what.
eruption.
yeah, we got ketchup and baking soda in there.
Because it was so dangerous.
Maybe. No. Leave your lid on it.
How do we do it?
Back up some. Go over there.
Mom, am
Yeah.
I supposed to put that?
Shake it hard. Move, Angel. Better move, Angel. Shake it some more, Davy. Angel. Leave it.
I don't know what's going to happen.
Is it getting hard?
They don't over here. Mom, move.
Is it getting hard? What's it doing?
Feel.
The lid?
Just feel the whole bottle. Squeeze it.
Hard.
Is it? No.
I'm going to shake. What is
You can shake it, but you got to aim it over there. Okay.
Shake it.
Leave it.
Can I loosen the lid?
I will. Bring it here. But hold it just like that. Face that way. Bring it. Let me see. Yeah, it's getting pretty stiff. Look out in case it...
Mom,
Give me enough. No.
Just to feel it like it's hard as a rock.
Can I feel?
It feels like. Wait.
It feels like.
No. Look at the bottom is starting to bubble out.
Oh, look, it's about to burst.
It looks like it's about to burst.
Look on the bottom, it's purple.
Yep. It's rounded. Now, if we would have did it in a ketchup bottle, it would have burst the top open already. But I didn't want to use the
Loosen
ketchup
the
bottle.
lid a little.
No.
Loosen the lid.
So, it gives off a lot of gas. What this tells me is it tells me that ketchup
And vinegar.
and baking soda. Do you know why it gives off a lot of gas?
Why?
With the reaction with ketchup? Do you know what's in ketchup?
What?
Vinegar. So, I just want to show the roundedness of the
Look, I
bottle.
see a bubble.
I know everything that was pushed in is now
Wait,
pushed out.
Can I drop it on the ground?
Well, just wait. We'll do that in a minute. Let's just sit that there.
My turn.
Okay. So,
Angel, back away.
now what I want you to do, Angel, back up a little bit, please, is I want you to put your hands around the top of the lid.
Like this.
No. Okay, here. I'll do that. Like this. Now pour it in slowly. And well, here. You know what?
I can do it.
Here, Davy. Wait 1 minute. Here, I'll do it. Watch. Here, Davy. Watch. You got it? Can you see that?
Yep.
Back up. Don't get all muddy. I gotta kind of do this.
Hurry! Whoa.
Can you see it?
Yep.
See the reaction? That's the same reaction pretty much that's going on with the ketchup.
Whoa, that makes a good sizzling.
Mom, what about we make
Mom, pop.
Okay, now listen. Come. I want you to. Can you hear it? Listen.
Let go. I'm gonna back away from
Can
Mom.
you gotta be able to see this? Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
Yep.
It looks like gum.
So it was the same that was happening here.
That
Happened
is
inside the
orange
ketchup. It's just ketchup.
It doesn't smell bad.
Mm. Should that be your own ketchup?
Mom, hold this. Hold this. I'm gonna shake you even more.
Okay, well,
No, watch. Angel, move.
Angel-
I'm gonna drop it.
Okay.
it's pretty well done. We shook it all up, so
Skycar Jana. Angel, come here and race me all the way over there. Skycar.